Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today's video will be about the unboxing of the helmet which I bought, new helmet which I bought. So the helmet is known as THH nuclear helmet. So let's start unboxing it and see what's inside the box. Okay. So the box is sealed from up, so I'll cut it from my knife. So here it is. The box gets open now. So what we get is the THH helmet in this nice bag, and what's in the box? It is one owner manual. So I'll show it later on, and there's nothing inside the box to show. I'll keep it aside. So this is a owner manual, and this is a keychain which we get with it. So there's nothing much more inside that, just an owner manual and a keychain. So we'll keep it aside, and now let's see how's the helmet. So here it gets open, and we remove it from the bag. Okay, so here is the helmet. The TH's nuclear helmet, black color. This also has a tinted visor. So this is just a cloth, nothing much. So let me give you an overview of the helmet from this side, from this side, from here. Yes. So this helmet gets 1, 2, 5 vents. So here is one vent. Here we have one vent. Here we have two vents, this and this. And here is the exhaust for the vents. This is the area where the air will come out. Okay. So the THH branding over here. You see here. It is DOT certified as well as ISI certified. So a good one for safety. And this has a tinted visor. You can opt for a clear visor also. And we have this strip for tightening up the helmet. If you press it, this gets removed, and in the same way pull it in and it gets stuck. Correct, right. And these paddings are all removable padding, so I'll just show you how to remove it. I'll just remove one pad. So 1, 2, and there is one more, 3. So look, this is how the padding gets removed. These are the buttons, 1, 2 and 3, which gets here, here and here. These are the 3 hooks where these buttons can be plugged, and these are all washable ones and removable. So when you wish to wash your helmet, you can remove this and wash it. And so thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.